Number 7, we're solving the quadratic equation. Enter the values separated by commas or none if there's no real solutions. So we have an equation, which means there's an equal sign and it equals 0. The only thing is that we're in standard form and we can't solve until we're in factored form. So standard form, a is 9 by the x squared, b is 12, and c is 4. So a does not equal 1, which means it's our longer way to factor, and we need to see if there's a greatest common factor. So do 9, 12, and 4 all divide by the same number. 9 divides by 3, and 4 does not divide by 3. So there's not a greatest common factor, which means we're going to just multiply a times c, which is 36. So we want factors of 36 that add or subtract to 12. So 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6. Again, if you know your times tables, this goes faster. If not, use your calculator. So there's some on here, right here, right? 6 plus 6 equals 12. None of these, the other ones will get us to 12. So we're going to use those. I have 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. We're going to replace the 12x with 6x and 6x. And then plus 4, 9x squared. Okay, now we're grouping. Group the first two, group the second two, and look for the greatest common factor in each group. So our first group, there's an x. Then 9 and 6 both divide by 3. So if I take out the 3x, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and I took 1x out. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and the x's are gone. And then here's 6 and 4 both divide by 2. So we're going to take out that 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and we still have the x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And we know we want these to be the same, and they are. So our factored form is what we took out. 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Wow. How about that? They're the same. All right. So now, what did I forget to write? All of this equals 0 the whole way down. That's really, really important because now we can solve. So now we set each factor equal to 0 and solve. So minus 2, divide by 3, x equals negative 2/3 twice, because we're going to get the same thing over here. And that's our answer. So negative 2/3, comma, negative 2/3. Oh, since the same answer appears twice, it should only be entered once. So this is one of those things that sometimes you enter it once, sometimes you enter it twice. If you enter it twice and you get that little error message, just type it in once. If you enter it in once and it wants it twice, it's going to tell you. So that's just kind of a weird thing with Derivita. If that happens on a test, message me, come find me, and we will fix it.